In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt with image input. These easy steps will help you integrate images into your chat interactions, unlocking a new realm of possibilities for visual engagement and troubleshooting. Let's dive in and explore how you can enhance your use of Chatgpt with visual elements in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to start by opening Chatgpt. This is the platform where all the magic happens. Once you've opened it up, you'll find yourself ready to create a new chat. This step is crucial because each new interaction is a fresh playground for you to explore with your images. Now, take a look at the chat bar. Do you notice the paperclip icon hanging right beside it? This little icon is your gateway to incorporating images into your conversations. Click on it, and you're one step closer to adding that visual dimension. After clicking the paperclip, you'll see an option that says Upload Image. Select this option to proceed. This is where you choose the image you want to interact with, whether it's a photograph, a screenshot, or a digital drawing. This step allows you to introduce a new element into your dialogue with Chatgpt. Once you've clicked Upload Image, it's time to choose which image to upload. Make sure the image reflects the context or subject you want to discuss or inquire about. It's all about selecting an image that aligns with your conversation goals. This can be a fun and strategic step to ensure your interaction is as productive as possible. After your image is uploaded, it's time to engage. Begin typing your question or instruction related to the image into Chatgpt. This step is where the interaction truly kicks off. It's your chance to ask about details, edits, or interpretations regarding the image you shared. Finally, after Chatgpt processes your input and presents you with an edited image or relevant information, be sure to save it on your device. This ensures you have a copy of the newly generated content that you can refer back to or share as needed. And that's it. You've successfully completed the process of using Chatgpt with image input. Each of these steps works together to bring a dynamic, multifaceted approach to your interactions on Chatgpt. By taking the time to understand each step, you open up new avenues for creativity and problem solving within the platform. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these instructions whenever needed. Happy chatting and enjoy exploring the visual side of Chatgpt.